Hey kids! Today, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 3.1 in VirtualBox. This is an updated version of this tutorial from 2023, so let's begin. First, download VirtualBox, link in description. First, you're going to need an MS-DOS VM. There's a video by Everything EPAM that shows you how to install MS-DOS 6.22 in VirtualBox. Link in the cards. Once you're done with that, if you haven't already started it, click the green arrow that says Start. Go to Devices, Floppy Drives, then click Choose a Disk File. Navigate over to where you have the floppy images stored. Links to the ones I use are in the description. Double-click on the Disk 1 file to insert it. Then, at the C prompt, type A:, and then Setup. Once you see the screen, press Enter to continue. You can choose Custom Setup by pressing C to customize the installation more. I will just choose Express Setup by pressing Enter. Insert Disk 2 by going back to Devices, Floppy Drives, and clicking Choose a Disk File again, and double-clicking on the Disk 2 image file. Once inserted, press Enter. You will then be loaded into the graphical setup. Type your name, and if you want, your company. I will make my name TOWF and my company TOWF Co. Insert Disk 3 by going back to Devices, Floppy Drives, and clicking Choose a Disk File again. And double-clicking on the Disk 3 image file. Once it's inserted, press Enter or click Continue. Do the same for Disks 4, 5, and 6. You can install a printer if you want to. I don't want a printer, so I'll just click Cancel. It will then ask you what the application name is for edit.com. Select MS-DOS Editor and click OK. If it asks you about qbasic.pif already existing, click Create. You can run the tutorial if you want to. I will click Skip Tutorial. Go back to Devices, Floppy Drives, and click Remove Disk from Virtual Drive. Then click Reboot. Once it reboots, type Win to start up Windows 3.1. Thanks for watching. I hope you're happy with your new Windows 3.1 VM. Bye!